Team Kid reporting. Today we're making Nutter Burger Mummies. So here's the ingredients. You need white chocolate, of course Nutter Burgers. You need right on black icing. You need a bowl, a fork, and a butter knife. And you also need a microwave. So let's make it. Break off a few pieces. We broke off 4. Make sure it's a microwave safe bowl and get help from your parents. Now we're going to put it in the microwave. Microwave it at a couple of seconds a time until it's nice, good, and great melted. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. You need a cookie sheet and parchment paper. So go ahead and get that out while the chocolate's melting in the microwave. We use our fork to stir in between heatings. Yep, it's good and melted. Let's do it. Now we're going to use another butter cookie and stick it in halfway. And then if it drips, wipe it on the side to make sure it doesn't drip chocolate everywhere, and then set it on the parchment paper. If you're having a problem getting it to go halfway, here's a hack. Tilt the bowl till the chocolate's deeper and it will go better. Or like that. And ta-da. We're gonna take a butter knife and swirl it around the chocolate and then quickly drizzle it over. You quickly take it to your parchment paper and drizzle it over the cookies.
I forgot a little. I need to fast. This is not going that well.
Let's drizzle some more. I'm drizzling you, drizzle.
I'm making mummies.
Here's where the black writing icing comes in to make the eyes. Ta-da! Eyes. I just made this one. That one looks tired on one eye and then it looks like a Hershey's Kiss on the other. We're close to being done. Now you need to put them in the fridge for at least 30 minutes so they can cool down. These turned out looking really good. They're good. They taste good. Make sure to check the description down below for the full recipe. Make sure to hit the like button and smash the subscribe button. Team Kid reporting out.